Hi friends, welcome to all. Today I am showing you how to repair this leaky and noisy jar. You can see the blade is shaking very badly. So what we need to do is we will open this blade first. We have to turn clockwise, remove the nut and remove the blade, and you will have washers also. Remove these washers, fiber washers. You can see the shaft is moving, shaking very badly. So we'll remove this shaft. You need to change this copper bush. This is why this is shaking very badly. What you need is you need a tool like this, so that you will push the bush downwards. Take a punch like this and then hammer it slowly and continuously until bush the copper bush gets down. Yeah, the bush is down now. You can see every bush are different in sizes. You can see you have a number here. According to the number, the size is different. Thickness, length, breadth, everything is different. So there is a number here. Okay, let me zoom and show you. The number here is 680. We need to get this bush. I have brought this. I have bought this bush now. This is only 30 rupees, available in all electrical spare parts shops. This is the same size. Now I am going to fix this into this jar. Just push this gently and then tap it lightly with a hammer. And then after tapping this, we need something like this. Place it over the bush and tap it again gently. Yeah, tap it until the bush gets inside. Don't tap it too much that the bush comes out from the other side. This needs to be tapped a little more. And now it looks okay. Now I'm going to check the shaft. So I'll put some washers, fiber washers here, 2 or 3, and then put some oil for lubrication. And then put this inside. Then again I'll put 1 or 2 washers here, fiber washers, and put some oil again, 1 or 2 drops, and then fix this wheel back. After fixing this, yeah, it looks good. It's not shaking now. I need to tighten this, hold this with a cloth, and then tighten this with a nose plier. Rotate it in anti-clockwise, counterclockwise. After tightening this, again tighten this from the other side, again counterclockwise. It's look good now. It's very smooth, free, it's not shaking, it's working well. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.